How many times have we felt and heard that disturbing scraping noise, followed by the sudden elimination of all forward progress?
Oh!
Attempts to steer resulting in the awareness that something's just not right. Yes, friends, you have just made rock contact with what I like to call your Jeep's pink parts. Parts that should never be exposed or subjected to the direct, unblushing impact of a boulder. Friends, that impact just cost you your brand new steering stabilizer. You know, that was mounted low, hanging below the fragile and now misshapen factory tie rod. You have just experienced a catastrophic failure. Driving home to that new MyPillow mattress topper just became a dream. Reality says you're walking. So disappointing. Consider the TeraFlex alternative. Introducing the TeraFlex JL and JT Wrangler heavy-duty Chromoly Tie Rod Kit. What if you had a massive 1 5/8" of nearly indestructible Chromoly tie rod, supporting 2 forged rod ends with wear-adjustable joints securely pressed into the forgings, available for 0 to 6 inches of lift? What if the TeraFlex heavy-duty steering moved that supple steering stabilizer up out of harm's way? The kit even includes the new steering stabilizer mount that you'll need due to the massive diameter of your new TeraFlex Chromoly tie rod. Slam into rocks, stumps, and curbs, and do it with confidence. With TeraFlex's heavy-duty tie rod kit, you'll steer around the competition. No. How about you'll drive like a pro? Nah. Oh, I know. It won't matter how you drive. Your TeraFlex heavy-duty tie rod kit will get you home. I like that one.